Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Dear children of class 7th CBSE, myself Rashmi, your science teacher, and today we will study the fourth part of chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. In this fourth part of the chapter, we will study about the mechanism of breathing, activities to understand the mechanism of breathing, importance of sneezing, and what do we breathe out. Mechanism of breathing. Now here the word mechanism of breathing means how exactly the process of breathing take place in our body. Mechanism of breathing involves the movement of the diaphragm and the rib cage. Now here the diaphragm means it is present in the chest cavity and form the floor of the chest cavity. Now the process of breathing involves the movement of the diaphragm and the rib cage. The chest cavity is separated from the abdomen by a muscular wall called diaphragm. The chest cavity and the abdomen are separated by diaphragm. During inhalation, diaphragm moves downwards and ribs move up and outward. The space in the chest cavity increases. As a result, air from the atmosphere rushes through nose, trachea to lungs. Now when we inhale air, children, your ribs come upwards and your diaphragm moves down, which increases the space in the chest cavity for the air. During exhalation, diaphragm moves upwards to its original position. Ribs move down and inward. The space in the chest cavity decreases. As a result, air from the lungs is forced out of the body through the air passage. Now during exhalation, children, your ribs are coming to its original position and your diaphragm is moving upwards, that is, it is also coming to its original position. Now because of which the air from the lungs are forced out through our nostrils. Now we will try to understand the mechanism of breathing through the activity. For performing this activity, you are required to take a plastic bottle and remove its wide bottom. You are required to fix a rubber sheet at the bottom of the bottle. You are making a hole in the cork and insert a Y-shaped glass tube in it. You are required to fix two deflated balloons to the two free ends of the glass tube. You are required to insert a cork on the mouth of the bottle and seal the cork with clay or wax. Now, you are gently pulling the rubber sheet down. You will observe that the balloon increases in size. Now, next, gently push the rubber sheet upwards and inwards. The balloons decrease in size. Now in this activity, children, the two balloons acts as the two lungs and the rubber sheet acts as the diaphragm. The first figure represents the process of inhalation while the second figure represents the process of exhalation. Significance of sneezing or importance of sneezing. The air around us has various types of unwanted particles such as smoke, dust, pollens, etc. Here, children, your air consists of lot of impurities. When we inhale, the particles get trapped in the hair of our nasal cavity. Now your nasal cavity consists of hairs. Now these impurities, when we inhale, they get stuck or get trapped into the hair of the nasal cavity. Then they irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Now these impurities irritate the lining of the cavity, as a result of which we sneeze. Sneezing expels these foreign particles from the inhaled air and a dust-free clean air enters our body. Now what your sneezing is doing, when we are sneezing, the foreign particles or the impurities which has trapped in the hairs of the nasal cavity are expelled out or else are thrown out, and a dust-free air and the clean air enters into our body. Now what are the things you should take care in mind while you sneeze? When you sneeze, you should cover your nose so that the foreign particles you expel are not inhaled by the other persons. Now, while you are sneezing, you should always cover your nose, because when you are sneezing, the particles which are coming out from your nose should not be inhaled by the other persons. Very important, smoking damages lungs. Smoking is also linked to cancer. It must be avoided. Now, smoking is very dangerous. It is causing danger to your lungs and it is also causing you cancer. Therefore, smoking should be avoided. Children, your fourth part of the chapter is ending here. Hope to meet you soon for the next part of your chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay indoor.